What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to remove the phone field from your WooCommerce checkout page. For whatever reason, your e-commerce store doesn't need the customer phone and doesn't having to store personal sensitive data. It's really good, especially into the GDPR age, okay? So how to remove this field? First thing, I'm gonna start assuming that you already know how to install, how to use WooCommerce, you have your product and you start running. If you don't know how to do this, go to Google and type WooCommerce Visual Model YouTube. You're gonna be able to find our playlist full of tutorials. After this, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and next to media there is pages. WooCommerce creates for you a page called Checkout and set this page to be your checkout page, okay? So here is my page. All I have to do is click on that page and you're gonna be able to find these informations right here. There is the WooCommerce blocks. I'm gonna click into the phone field just like this, okay? I'm gonna click into this block and review the right sidebar of menus. Into the block we have shipping address, from step options, additional fields, company, address line, and phone. We can make the phone required in the case that the phone is really important for your needs, okay? Or we can simply remove the phone. So no more phone fields into the checkout page. After setting this to remove, all we have to do is hit the Save Change button in order to save the change we made. Okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!